Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Black+Decker CM1160B coffee maker. Brew your daily coffee fast with the Black+Decker 12-cup programmable coffee maker. Quick, touch programming buttons make it easy to set the 24-hour auto brew feature and shave some time off of your morning routine. Other useful features include Sneak a Cup technology, the 12-cup Duralife glass carafe, and a washable brew basket. Too coarse a grind, too little coffee, or insufficiently tamping the grounds before brewing can all lead to inadequate pressure for a proper brew. It is important to note that the amount of espresso extracted will vary depending on the grind size and amount, and reprogramming may be needed when the size and amount are adjusted. Please refer to the user guide or user manual or user guide before first use. Large, rubberized buttons give you full control of the coffee maker, and the easy read screen displays the clock, brew time, and programming options. This feature temporarily stops the flow of coffee so you can pour your first cup before brewing ends without making a mess. The front-facing window shows you the exact amount of water that will turn into coffee. The non-stick carafe plate keeps coffee warm for an hour after brewing is complete. Vacuum pressure technology allows the reverse siphon effect to take place, creating the perfect extraction. The Tiger Siphonista automated siphon coffee maker uses blended steam and vacuum technology to produce the ultimate coffee taste. Our second best coffee maker for Airbnb is Keurig K-Classic coffee maker. The Keurig K-Classic brews a rich, smooth, and delicious cup every time with the quality you expect from Keurig. Simple touch buttons make your brewing experience stress-free, and multiple K-cup pod brew sizes help to ensure you get your perfect cup. Whether you like your coffee strong, mild, decaf, or flavored, you can brew all of your favorites with the Keurig K-Classic, and with a large 48 ounces water reservoir, you can brew 6+ cups before having to refill. Discover hundreds of K-cup pod varieties from all of the brands you love, including Green Mountain Coffee, Starbucks, and Lipton, and enjoy coffee, tea, hot cocoa and more. Also available in 2 fun colors to complement your decor, and compatible with the Keurig Classic Series My K-Cup reusable coffee filter, so you can brew your own ground coffee. Allows you to brew 6+ cups before having to refill, saving you time and simplifying your morning routine. The water reservoir is removable, making it easy to refill whenever you need to. This siphon technology coffee maker produces a luxurious, full-bodied coffee flavor unique to the siphon coffee brewing process without any hassles. Tiger uses the finest 18/8 food-grade stainless steel and materials to produce this elegantly designed siphon coffee maker. With high performance, BPA-free, corrosion-resistant coffee brewing vessel provides excellent thermal performance, high impact strength, and is also dishwasher safe. Third pick in our list is Ninja CFP307 DualBrew coffee maker. The DualBrew Pro is powerful yet compact, taking up very little kitchen counter space. This makes it ideal for those with smaller kitchens or who simply want to reduce the footprint of their coffee machine. If you already have a drip or pod coffee maker, or one of each, then this has the power to replace them both. It's also very stylish, with its sleek, black appearance and modern touchscreen controls. But one of the best things about the Ninja DualBrew Pro is that it suits pretty much every type of coffee drinker. It's a machine with all the bells and whistles. It can give you a delicious standard cup or a just as tasty iced latte. The choice is entirely up to you. The included recipe book will inspire countless coffee creations from budding baristas. The clever 12-cup coffee maker can make standard hot brews, specialty coffee beverages, and iced coffee drinks, and is compatible with Keurig pods. It can produce 9 different brew sizes ranging from a small cup to a full carafe. The coffee maker has a 24H timer function. Programmable function allows you to set your coffee maker in advance and wake up to enjoy freshly brewed coffee. Simple on/off button to start brewing and turn off the brewer. Prog button, press to preset the auto brew time. Set time with min and hour buttons. The controls are intuitive, easy to program, and the indicator light and LED display make it easy to read and use. The coffee maker comes with an anti-drip feature, interrupting the brew cycle and pour a cup of coffee without making a mess. It ensures your coffee maker and kitchen countertop remain clean and tidy. Number 4 on our side is Jeevy 4 Cups Coffee Maker. The Jeevy 4 Cup Coffee Maker is a compact drip coffee maker appropriate for nano families consisting of only 1 to 2 persons. Amazing design, incredible performance and astonishing durability make this coffee maker the ultimate choice for those who are looking for a high-end coffee maker under budget. And its innovative features definitely vouch for its worthiness. As the name suggests, this mini coffee maker has only 4 cups capacity. Sometimes larger coffee makers cannot nail at making single cups, so it could be a huge advantage for all the lone wolves out there. The item was pleasantly bundled, completely estimated for my requirements, simple to spotless, simple to utilize, and showed up instantly when requested. The item completely works as promoted, suggested for anybody searching for an economical espresso producer that has a little ledge impression. This is an extraordinary little space-sparing 4-mug espresso producers. Makes great espresso, is tranquil and simple to clean. The container sets aside cash since you don't need to purchase paper filters. The handy keep warm function allows you to keep your coffee at a consistent temperature and ready to drink when you are. After your coffee pot has brewed a fresh carafe of coffee, the warming plate will retain heat, keeping the temperature for up to 40 minutes and then auto turning off. The glass coffee maker comes with a removable cone filter and a basket which is washable and reusable. The cone filter is considered to brew better coffee than basket filter. Also, they are dishwasher safe. Number 5 in our top 5 best coffee maker for Airbnb list is Capresso Mini Drip Coffee Maker. Multiple nozzles spray water evenly onto ground coffee, ensuring full saturation of ground's gold tone filter is easy to clean and eliminates the need for paper filters. Easily program the coffee maker to start brewing at the desired time. The coffee maker will keep warm for 2 hours and then automatically shut off. Quickly brews 5 cups, 25 ounce, of coffee into a glass carafe with an ergonomic handle and drip-free pouring spout. Too coarse a grind, too little coffee, or insufficiently tamping the grounds before brewing can all lead to inadequate pressure for a proper brew. It is important to note that the amount of espresso extracted will vary depending on the grind size and amount, and reprogramming may be needed when the size and amount are adjusted. Please refer to user guide or user manual or user guide before first use. Set the machine to automatically brew at your program time. Glass carafe features brew-through lid, drip-free pouring spout and an ergonomic handle. Simply fill the 14 ounces water tank, pop your favorite ground coffee into the washable permanent filter and press the power on switch. After a few minutes the single brewer will dispense your delicious hot coffee into the mug, ready for you to simply grab and go. The Wirish coffee maker doesn't need pre-packaged packs or pods which can get expensive, and not environment friendly. Instead, it comes with a mesh filter that gives users the choice of any flavor, caramel, hazelnut, vanilla, etc., ground coffee, any brand, and any strength pleasing to their taste. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.